What really happens inside America's money factories? Every day, millions of people use dollar bills and coins without thinking about where they come from. A dollar bill passes through your hands in seconds. A quarter drops into a vending machine. A stack of cash moves through a bank. But before American money enters circulation, it begins an extraordinary journey through some of the most advanced printing presses, precision machines, inspection systems, and secure government production facilities in the world. Creating money is not as simple as pressing a button and printing paper. Every note must be produced with extreme precision. Every coin must be shaped, inspected, and manufactured to exact requirements. From powerful printing presses producing detailed currency sheets to enormous coin presses striking metal at incredible speeds, the production process combines engineering, art, chemistry, automation, security technology, and human skill. So today, we're going inside America's money production system to discover how US dollars and coins are made. And the journey begins with the design. Before a new note or coin enters production, its design must go through a highly controlled development process. For paper currency, designers and engravers work on detailed artwork, portraits, backgrounds, decorative elements, and security features. Fine lines and engraved details are carefully developed using a combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. For coins, approved designs are transformed into three-dimensional models and eventually into the dies used to strike the metal. The result is a design that is not only recognizable, but engineered for large-scale production. And once the designs are ready, the factories need something even more important: the material itself. America's paper currency is produced by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. But US currency doesn't begin with ordinary office paper. The specialized currency substrate is made primarily from cotton and linen and includes distinctive features designed to make imitation more difficult. Large sheets of currency substrate enter the production system. At first, they look surprisingly plain. But this is where the transformation begins. The first major printing stages add detailed background colors and patterns to the currency sheets. Massive high-speed printing presses process the sheets with extraordinary precision. The front and back receive complex printed layers designed to maintain consistent color and alignment across the entire sheet. The machines are enormous. Rollers rotate continuously. Ink systems operate with incredible accuracy. Sensors monitor the production process. But even with advanced automation, human operators remain involved. They inspect production samples and watch for changes in alignment or print consistency. Because when millions of notes are being produced, even a tiny irregularity can become a major problem. After the initial printing layers are complete, another important process begins. This is where the detailed engraved appearance associated with American currency begins to emerge. Specialized printing systems transfer extremely fine artwork and intricate details onto the currency sheets. The portraits, patterns, lines, and ornamental features become increasingly visible. At this stage, the currency is no longer just a printed sheet. It is beginning to look like real American money. After printing, the sheets move through controlled drying and secure handling stages before continuing deeper into production. But the process still isn't finished. Because every sheet must be inspected. Inside the production facility, advanced inspection systems analyze the printed currency sheets. High-speed cameras and computer systems search for production defects and quality problems. The machines inspect the sheets at remarkable speed. Sheets that meet the required standards continue through the production line. Others are removed and handled through controlled quality procedures. This combination of automation and human oversight is essential. Technology can analyze huge amounts of information at incredible speed. But experienced operators and quality control teams remain responsible for monitoring the overall process. Next comes another important stage. The currency receives its final printed identifiers and official markings. Specialized equipment applies serial numbers and other required features as part of the final production stages. Now each note is becoming an individual unit within the massive production system. The sheets continue moving through highly automated finishing equipment. But they are still not individual dollar bills. Not yet. Large printed sheets enter automated finishing systems. Precision cutting equipment divides the sheets into smaller sections and eventually into individual notes. The process must remain perfectly organized. Every cut must be accurate. Every stack must remain controlled. The finished notes are inspected, counted, stacked, and packaged for the next stage of their journey. The finished currency is then prepared for delivery into the Federal Reserve System. And from there, the notes begin moving toward banks and eventually into circulation. But paper currency is only half of America's money production system. Because millions of coins are also manufactured. The journey inside the U.S. coin production system begins with metal. Large coils of metal enter the factory. The metal is straightened and fed into powerful blanking presses. These machines punch out thousands of circular pieces from the metal. The remaining scrap material is collected for recycling. But these metal pieces are not yet ready to become coins. They must first be prepared. The metal pieces move through controlled treatment systems designed to prepare them for the next stages. Afterward, they move through cleaning and drying equipment. Then another machine forms the raised rim around the edge. At this point, the prepared metal pieces are ready for one of the most powerful stages in the entire factory. The strike. Prepared metal pieces enter massive coin presses. Precision dies come together with enormous force. In an instant, the metal is shaped. The design appears. The surface details form. The edges take their final structure. And what was once a plain metal piece becomes a real coin. The process happens at incredible speed. Machine after machine continues striking coins. The scale is enormous. Millions of coins can move through production systems. But just like paper currency, every production system requires quality control. Samples are inspected. The appearance is checked. The dimensions are monitored. Coins that meet the required standards continue forward. Finished coins are counted and prepared for distribution. From there, the coins move into organized storage and distribution systems. Transportation networks move them toward the banking system. And finally, the coins begin appearing in everyday life. From secure printing facilities to distribution systems to banks, businesses, stores, and eventually into the hands of millions of people. The same thing happens with coins. A metal coil becomes a blank. A blank becomes a prepared coin piece. A powerful strike creates the final coin. And that coin can remain in circulation for years. And when you look back at the complete journey, the transformation is extraordinary. A specialized sheet enters a massive printing system. Layer after layer, it becomes American currency. A metal coil enters a coin factory. It is cut, treated, prepared, struck, inspected, and transformed into money. What makes America's money production system so fascinating isn't simply the final dollar bill or coin. It's the combination of design, specialized materials, precision engineering, powerful machinery, advanced inspection systems, skilled workers, security technology, and massive logistics networks. Every stage depends on the stage before it. Without precise materials, there is no reliable currency. Without accurate production, there is no consistent note. Without powerful coin presses, there is no large-scale metal currency production. And without the banking and distribution system, the money cannot complete its journey into everyday life. That is the hidden industrial world behind America's currency. From raw materials, to powerful machines, to printing presses, to coin factories, to banks, and finally, into your hands. And that's how American money is made. If you enjoyed discovering what happens behind the machines, subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more incredible factory processes and the hidden technology behind everyday products.